Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to hack CCTV DVRs using a very simple trick or a bug. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. We'll be doing it in few steps. The first step will be to find out our target CCTV. Okay, here you can see CCTV DVR. DVR stands for digital video recorder or recording. Basically, it's a camera which also stores the recordings. So what we want to do is we want to hack few cameras, or we want to get the access of certain cameras which are available online. So first target is to find out those cameras which are available online. Now to do this, we'll be using a simple Google Doc query. Here you can see this is a Google Doc entitled DVR login. You can either use this or you can either use this one. Okay. So nearly both are same, except that the second one has this dash form, which means we don't want any domain which ends with .com. Okay, so we will be getting all domains with .net, .org or anything except .com. So all that you have to do is you have to type this thing in your Chrome or Firefox browser. I'll be using Firefox here. I'll simply just type this here and hit enter. Now this will fetch me a result, a bunch of results like this. Okay, you can see here. You will get results but without any .com. So here we are getting IP addresses. Now if you try to open anyone, for example, let's open the first one, DVR login. So basically it asks for a username and password. Now we don't have any idea of what this username or password can be. So we have to find that out. Now one thing that you can do is you can do the brute force using bug suite. We have learned in previously how to do brute force requests using bug suite. Here we are not going to do the brute force. Instead, we'll be using a very simple trick. I'll be providing you a link of a GitHub repository which you have to clone on your system. So here this is the link and I'll be pasting it in the video description. The next thing is we have to open this link here, and all you have to do is click on this code and then here copy this thing. Okay. Now go to your system anywhere. For example, I'll be going to the desktop and here I'll be opening, let's say, CMD. Open in terminal. Okay, let's see if yes. Here you have to type git clone and paste your URL which you have copied from code. Now for this to work, you must have git already installed on your system. If it's not installed, you can check on YouTube how to install git. Or otherwise, if you are on Linux, it will be automatically already installed with the system. Okay. So once you copy it, just hit enter and it will clone the entire repository on a system. So we are good here. Okay. Now let's change the directory and go inside this folder CV 2018. So again, this is a bug which is available for most of the DVRs companies. Okay. CCTV companies. So it should work in most of the vendors. Okay. So let's try. What we have to do is once you clone this, you have to just go inside this folder. Then you have to create a virtual environment. Again, for this to work, you also need to install Python. So I hope you already have installed Python. If not, you can again check on YouTube how to install Python. Once you do it, we will create a virtual environment. So you have to type python-m when. Now, this is a virtual environment. What this means is whatever packages we will be installing, it will be installed within this folder that we have just created or cloned. Okay. For simple, you can just understand it like this. So once it's done, let's go to this folder and let's see what files are there. So here you can see there is this file getDVRcredentials.py. Okay, so we have to run this, and in order to run this, there must be some description here how to run this. So let's see. You can just scroll down like this. Okay, so let's scroll further and here we'll be seeing how to use this. We have installed it. We have this thing. Let's try to install this thing. Click install -r requirement.txt. You can just copy and paste it here and it will install all the requirements for this particular script to run. So once we are did it, we have installed all the requirements. What you have to do, we have to run this file. So to do this, you have to type this thing. So let's type Python, then get DVR credentials.py. You can just type G and hit tab and it will autocomplete. Then we need to pass the host and port. So let's see how can we do it. Let's go back to this Firefox. Now see, in this URL, this first part before the colon is known as host and the second part after the colon is known as port. So what you have to do is you have to first copy this thing and then here you have to type dash dash host and paste the host and then dash dash port. Here you have to paste the port which is 81 here. So let's try hitting it and see if it's cracking the username password or not. Okay, so it says expecting value line 1 column 1 didn't work. Let's try with something else. Let's try with this one. If it's not working, then we can't do anything. Okay, so let's try with this one. We will change this and we will change this 8000 here. And now let's see if it works. Yep, we have got this. Username is admin and password is 2022. Test 2022. So let's try this. Here I'll just type admin and then password is this. Let's hit enter and let's see if it's working or not. So here you can see this is loading, but unfortunately you will notice that we are not getting any camera recordings. So what you have to do is, either this is an extra step that you have to follow. You can either do it in Firefox or Chrome. I'll be doing it in Chrome. You can install an extension, which you can do it like this. Go to the extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you have to type IE tab. This is the extension. Here you will get an option to install. I've already installed. That's why I'm getting removed from Chrome. Just click it and it will be automatically installed. So once you install it, you will get that extension here in this extension section. So click on this IE tab extension. And okay, so this is for a free week trial. Doesn't matter. Just click on OK. Okay. So it will open a page like this. What you have to do, you have to just remove this URL from your address. Okay. And the next thing that you have to do is you have to copy paste this thing. Okay, this URL here and hit enter. Now this will open that page. So you can see this page is open within this tab here, and here we can try the same username password. So admin and then oops. Let's try, let me try this by copying it again and pasting it here. Hit enter. Do you want to remember this password? No. Also, if you have Internet Explorer, you can directly open that here, but I don't have, that's why I'm doing it like this. So now it's loading, and if we're lucky, we should be getting the camera recordings here. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so it is opening, as you can see, this is opening the cameras. So yes, this is how you can hack into available CCTV DVRs online. Okay, so yep, this is working. Now you can manage all of it from here. But what we can do else is, let's try with some another one. Okay, so I'll just go here. Let's go back. Let's try with this third one. So again, this is our username. Sorry, host. So we'll just replace this host. Okay, and then we will replace the port. So 49152. Yep, we have again got the username and password. So username is again admin. So we'll just type admin and then password here. Now this is one method to find out the username and password for available DVRs or CCTV DVRs. We can also check for some another one, like let's try with this one. Let's see. Okay, it's very noisy, so I'll be just closing this tab. So that tab was very noisy. I was getting the output, sorry, audio, so that's why I closed. Again, to view the camera, you have to open it in IE tab. But anyways, it's working. Okay, you can again check for it. This will work too. Here you can see the vendor is different. Last time it was different. Okay, so it's working. And I tried multiple ones and all of this works. So yep, we can do it like this. In the next tutorial, we'll learn other method to get into admin console or admin folder for CCTV cameras. So yes, this is it for this video, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask it in the comment section. This video is totally possible because of this particular repository and because of this user who find out this bug. Okay, so thanks for him, and yep, this is it. Let's see you in the next tutorial.